Hello, my name is Peter Konde, and yeah, it's been so long since I gave an update as to what we are building here at Frenbox. So let me just show us the current status of things, really. Yeah, so Frenbox is a cloud storage platform, really, and we is a cloud storage platform that allows for effortless file sharing and monetization. So basically, what we do is we actually allow users to search for and access each other's folders and files, really. So basically, I'm looking for some stuff that has to do with forex, that has to do with marketing. I can just go and I'll be greeted with folders that people have created or files that people have created that actually relates to my search keyword. Yeah, so we are kind of moving away from the era of share links to resources as it is in the current cloud storage platforms. Okay, before I can actually share you a file, you actually have to have some form of one-on-one contact with the link to that particular resource, and that to a large extent can actually be restricting because the problem is really seen in our schools, because at the beginning of every semester everybody really asks that, okay, do you have access to this semester materials, do you have access to this semester materials, and if the question just goes about, and there's something that is always sure: someone actually has access to those materials. It's just that the medium to share those files and them folders to the large mass of people is actually not there. And so that's one of the stuff that actually pushed us to create Frenbox. And so Frenbox, as I said, any user can actually search for and access each other's folders. Although there are privacy rules in place, you can use Frenbox as your primary backup, and only you have access to your folders and your files. Or you can choose to make it public and everybody can search for and access your data content. And yeah, also one very very interesting thing is that you can actually set up paywalls in front of the files and folders, so that only people who actually pay can access those files and folders, and on the go you can monetize right from your backed up content, really. Yeah, so yes, let me just show us a quick demo. Yeah, so right here I have a folder called, okay, I currently have the Framebox applications, the application running on the desktop application, and I have the mobile application. Yeah, so I these two account, they are different accounts, really. And okay, let's just say I have a folder here called Facebook Marketing Tips. I think I made it restricted. And anybody can actually just go. Restricted means people can search for but can't access it. Let's just say I, as a separate user, okay, I want to just check out some stuff that has to do with marketing, really. And yeah, they'll be greeted with a folder. Okay, you don't have access to this particular friend. Folders are called friend. It's friend box, really. It's just part of our lingua. Yeah, so you can't access the particular friend, and I can actually choose to enable monetization. And yeah, I can also choose to set the price to access the friend. So let's just say I set it at 100 naira. Yeah, so now anybody that actually searches for marketing, really, and clicks on it, okay, you actually have to pay 100 naira to actually access this particular folder and the content in the folder. And mind you, everything actually uploaded to this folder this user gets. So let's just pay to access it. It is redirected to a tab where he or she actually has to pay for for access to the particular folder. And yeah, just one thing, I as I can actually check out my monetization tab and just view my monetization details, really, and check out how much I've made. All right, you can see I have made 100 naira, really. I have made amount, I've withdrawn some amount and all. So you can have your backed up content and even choose to monetize right from right from the content you have backed up on Framebox. Okay, so on change payment model, let me just go to USD bank. Let's just do bank transfer. On paying, the user can actually like pay, and he or she will have access to the particular folder. Yes, so let's just skip the part of paying, and I just set it so that the user actually has access. I gave the user read access. I added the user as one who can actually read it without paying. So once it clicks on it, okay, he or she can actually import it. And on importing it, the user will be greeted with okay this, and he or she can actually access every single thing I have on this folder. If I had, okay, let's just say I had a note, um tips on marketing. Oh, got tips on marketing. There's some random tips and all. So I'm saving this. You should get it automatically. Really, and that's just how seamless it is with Frenbox. Yeah, so that's just a summary of what Frenbox is and how a little bit of how Frenbox works. And yeah, so see you in the next one.